Hello, Mike Marcella, MS Classic Cars. Today, road test. 1969 Triumph Spitfire, same year I was born. This thing's pretty cool, Corey. Let's show them how nice it drives. Fires right up. We picked the hottest day in the world today. Nice, Corey.
Yep. Good day for a drop top.
Get Moxalero ready to run him over. See if we run him over.
Yep.
Look at this. Gotta get used to it. Nice. Oh yeah, you know what, Corey? Overdrive.
Overdrive.
Yeah, right in.
Nice.
Like, pretty cool. Baking in the sun. Not bad, huh?
Not too shabby.
I want to take it right. Just because up there's always traffic.
Yeah, nice little back road.
Yeah, it's just better for this car. Nice ride. Show everybody how nice it drives. Going down that straight road doesn't show anybody. Look at this. I had the overdrive on still. It's kind of cool that it was overdrive. How good it runs. In fourth gear. Cool. Oh. Actually not bad for the size of the engine. Look at this. It's not bad at all. Even in fourth, accelerates better in fourth than third.
Yeah. Doesn't weigh much.
Not a rattle in it. Squeak, rattle, nothing. These are the roads for this guy. In the shade a little bit. It's nice. Handles pretty good. Like it drives
Yeah, it
good.
does handle pretty
It's
solid.
like a go-kart.
Oh, you might need to trade in the Ford and get you one of these.
Not bad over the bumps.
You take your pups out for a cruise in this
Yeah,
thing.
my wife will like it. Definitely a nice back road car. Runs nice and cool. Oil pressure's 50 pounds. Overdrive. Nice, it goes really over.
Hello everyone, it's Mark Scholero, the owner of MS Classic Cars, and I thank you for watching this video. MS Classic Cars only specializes in number 1 and number 2 condition, show quality inventory. We truly have something for everyone. We take great pride in servicing and detailing every vehicle that we sell, and we document the work with an invoice. We appreciate it if you follow us on social media, and make sure to sign up for our VIP newsletter. As always, rock and roll.